On the Story screen in the SAP Analytics Cloud app, we can see the list of stories available to us. Note that only stories created using responsive pages are available within the app, and that some story elements aren't currently supported. Within a story, we can swipe to navigate the pages or select a page by name. Filters can be applied to all the pages in a story, to an individual page, or to an individual tile. When any story or page-level filters or calculations are applied to the data, a badge displays in the Input Controls icon. For example, in this case, the story was designed with a page filter so that only the results for female employees are shown. Note that when story or page filters are applied, we can't remove them to see more data, for example, to add the results for male employees to the page. We can further restrict the results shown if desired. In this case, removing female employees means displaying no data. We'll reset the filter to add the results for female employees back to the page. We can interact with the individual tiles in a number of ways. We can open the Chart Filters panel to see any filters that are applied, expand the tile to full screen, and perform other actions that are specific to the chart type. For column or bar charts, we can tap a data point to see its details. In this case, the charts on the page are linked, so when we select a region, the other charts on the page automatically update to display the details for that region. When we select two data points at once, a marker displays the difference between the values. In full screen mode, we have access to additional features depending on the tile type. When no data points are selected, we see the actions that are available for the whole chart, such as enabling the selection of multiple data points at once, changing the sort order, or adding ranking to see only the top or bottom values. With the selection of multiple data points enabled, we can tap and drag to select several bars at once. When at least one data point is selected, additional options are available. For example, we can apply a filter to either include only the selected values or to exclude the selected values. To see the filter settings that are applied, we can open the Chart Filters panel. Note that in this case, there's a regular filter as well as a linked filter to indicate that the region selected in the chart is also filtering the other charts on the page. Note that the linked filter is defined within the story itself and can't be removed. However, we can delete the regular filter by swiping it. When the dimensions in our charts include hierarchies, we can drill up or down within our charts. For example, when we select the North America region and drill down, we see the results for the countries that are members of the region. We can drill back up to return to the original view. We can also apply axis breaks on outlier values, which is useful when one or more large values make it difficult to distinguish the smaller values in a chart. For example, in this chart, one bar is much larger than the others. When we apply an axis break on this bar, we can more clearly see the differences in values between the other regions. We can remove the axis break by selecting the bar again. Thanks for watching.